In today's video, we are going to show you how to make an e-signature through Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you need it for signing documents, emails, or any other digital communication, having an e-signature can save your time and add a layer of security to your transactions. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step, from creating your e-signature to integrating it into various platforms. Let's get started and make your e-signature together. First, draw your signature on a clean and clear A4 sheet. Next, take a photo of your signature and import it to your desktop. To remove the background of your signature, you can use Adobe Express. Adobe Express has an option to remove the background from an object. Simply insert the photo into the background remover tool and then download the cleaned up image of your signature. Next, open your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat already installed on your computer, you can simply download and install it first. When you open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, locate the e-sign option on the menu bar and click on it. This action will bring up a box on the left side of the screen. Within this box, select Add Signature. You'll then be presented with three options for adding your signature. Choose the image option and insert the downloaded signature image into your PDF document. Finally, you can place your signature in the right place and save the file. We've covered the entire process step by step, from creating your e-signature to integrating it into your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. Now you have the power to securely sign your documents digitally, saving time and ensuring authenticity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.